The Koch videos are sponsored by
the Little Rail House of Wellingborough.
Hello you beautiful lot, it's Purple.
And Leanne.
Hey, we've come down to Wellingborough Station because we kind of need to redo a video. And, well, I'm really sorry, but we're going to show you the start of this video and we're going to meet you basically where the video messed up. So, yeah, do excuse us. We're going to meet our way over and we'll meet you exactly that right point. Yeah. See you in a bit.
If you haven't done it to Bedford, as always, make sure you take your items with you. Sure we take tickets from travel on case they've got a working bar system here today. After Bedford, we'll go to Luton Airport Parkway. This train will shortly be at Bedford. Take care if you're leaving us here, stand from the train's platform.
Alright?
Yeah.
Cool. Wait for the ping.
Yeah, it will.
Go for it. Right, there we go then, we're now in Bedford. Yep. So, yeah, awesome, it's nice, smooth, and you don't feel travel sick. That's brilliant. So, the train rides, that's what we've got. Now, what we want to do is we do want to try and head on that railway bridge and head over to the other side and we'll see if we can see the old gasworks. Bedford is also the Thameslink depot as well, so you'll find at the end of this car park there'll be quite a lot of the Thameslink trains that run in and out of London. I think some of them are driverless now, aren't they? I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure there was a plan to get them though. Anyway, let's go have a look. And the bricks have been done on the edge again to give it extra strength. Of course, it's cool. So here we are then, and I'm afraid what happened is I don't know. I think I deleted half the footage, so we did that bit and then I ain't got nothing else. So we're going to continue on from here, yeah. And yeah, I think we've got the gasworks just in here. So of course that's an old engine shed, or something to do with the railway. We'll have to have a look on the map at that. Yeah, and I think this was part of the gasworks as well. Just still got some of the old lighting at the top. Here it is then, and this is the old gasworks. Let's have a look. See that? Oh, and I don't know if you remember the one I done in Wellingborough and the one in Northampton. I'll link them up the top for you. But yeah, there's nothing left, it's completely derelict. Crazy, isn't it? So more than likely, eventually they'll probably build on that land. Because there's concrete already down, so why not? Yeah. Crazy. Right, what we're going to do now though, is we're going to head back over the railway and we're going to try and walk along the river to see if there's any other railway bridges and other greatness we can find. So yeah, let's go make our way round. We might even stop off for a bit of lunch as well. Yeah. Sounds good? Yeah. Absolutely. Let's go for it. Oh, they're rowing down there. Oh. But the railway's on this side, so. Oh look, there's a big plaque. Row! 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 Here we go. This bridge was opened to the public by the Right Honourable Earl Cowper KC. Cowper?
And Earl.
And Earl, alright. 21st day of October 1884. Joshua Hawkins, the mayor. Oh look, they're still rowing. Go for it. Fair play. But there's a railway bridge in there. Shall we go have a look? Let's go for it. Cool. Oh look, there's that one.
So
We are here.
Yeah.
So what's this then?
Wait, it's the River Great Ooze.
Yeah, so we're right here. We can go have a look at this bridge, and there's another one further down.
Yeah.
Shall we go have a look?
Yeah.
Go for it. This is cool though. Nice little vantage point from up here.
Yeah.
Bedford's really beautiful. I mean, look at that bridge that we crossed earlier.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And it goes along there as well.
Yeah. But we can get a better look at this bridge. Look. Oh, awesome. Oh, there's the rail yard as well. I mean, this is pretty empty compared to the first time we came.
Maybe because it wasn't Sunday. There's still trains.
Apparently, if looking at the maps, it shows that St John's Station is down this way somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, look, you've got the church in the back. Cool. Look how small that bridge is.
Yeah.
Well, it was a big bridge, but look, is that what we've got to go for? Wow. Go on, Leanne. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Crouch down.
I only saw that back.
Oh, wow. Look at those. That's cool. Oh. That's awesome. There's got to be a rowing boat club up here somewhere.
Yeah.
It looks absolutely awesome. We'll have to come up one day and have a little play.
Yeah. Well, you can fit like 4 or 5 people in there.
Can you hear the cars going over?
Yeah.
God, definitely a bit windy. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at the architecture on that. Where that curves round. That's awesome. I wonder what that's like on the overlay. Oh look, there's another one. I mean, that one there looks older brick, so that must be the original.
Yeah.
But I love the curve on it, right by the canal. Oh. Add up the numbers, I think we hit 1,700 this morning, so that's absolutely brilliant. Thank you to everybody involved. It's been brilliant. Of course, Leanne's trying out the purple top.
language, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
Back in
Latin.
the old times.
Yeah, I believe that's Latin.
Like BC or something.
Yes, yeah, that's Latin. So a lot of your plants these days are still named in Latin. It's the true original language, I believe. Anyway. Oh, here we go. The Shire Hall. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, look. Oh,
Built in 1879 to 81 in French Gothic style, designed by Alfred Waterhouse, architect of the Natural History Museum in London, replaced the Seasons House original law courts, which stood here from 1753.
awesome. That's mental.
And it just says Bedford Magistrates Court.
Oh yes. Oh, look at all these poor souls.
Just a little map.
Oh, yeah, that's some building, isn't it? 1881. Cool. Awesome. And then the church, of course. The Shire Hall extension, built in 1910, the arts and crafts style, designed by Charles Holden. So this is the extension. You see, the bricks aren't as red.
Yeah, it's more old.
Yeah. Well, no.
1910 here.
Yeah, it's not as old.
No, not as old.
No.
I mean, it's still old, but not as old.
And here's another one. St Paul's Square, site of the medieval priest's house. Current building dates from 1840 and used by St Paul's Vicarage until 1907.
Yeah.
So that's the priest's house. Oh dear. Cool. That's the same one. Oh look, there's another one. Oh no, it's the same. Oh, the 15th and 16th century jetted timber frames building with an 18th century facade, formerly an inn, known successively as the Falcon, the Seven Stars, and the Ships. It's a watering hole. Right. Do you think we need to go get some lunch?
Yeah.
I think we do. Right. We'll have some lunch and we'll catch up with you in a minute.
1 hour later.
Right, now we're all fed and watered.
Yeah.
Let's go hunting for that old railway station, because apparently in Bedford there was another station called St John's. So it's still up and running today. Well, not today because of the pandemic, but it's like a little tramway to take people to and from. And before that St John's was built, there was the old St John's, which I do believe was the station for the Northampton to Bedford Railway. L&NWR. Brilliant. So we're going to make our way down this massive road and see if we can find this hidden relic.
Well, now really, when we go back then to falling in love, we don't say rising into love. There is in it the idea of the fall. And it goes back, as a matter of fact, to extremely fundamental things. That there is always a curious tie between the fall and the creation. Taking this ghastly risk is the condition of there being life. See, for all, the life is an act of faith and an act of gambling. The moment you enter into any kind of human undertaking in relationship, what an act of faith. See, yourself up. What do you want from me? Just tell me what you want from me.
What we want to do is we want to head over to the other side of the roundabout and walk along where the bridge is. And apparently the little gem is hidden down there. I've been there. Our station should be right here.
But this is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender. See, and love is an act of surrender to another person. Total abandonment. I give myself. Take, do anything you like. So, that's quite mad, because you see, it's letting things get out of control. All sensible people keep things in control. So, actually, therefore, the course of wisdom, what is really sensible, is to let go, is to commit oneself, to give oneself up, and that's quite mad. So we come to the strange conclusion that in madness lies sanity.
And this station shut on the 14th of May 1984 because they basically moved St John's Station from here to round under there or round there. Anyway, not important. I want this disused station. So, I mean, look at this length of the platform here. That's amazing. Let's see if there's any more relics. I found some research on a website called www.alinetaxis.co.uk, and it's a blog, and it says this: the history of Bedford St John's train station began in November 1846 when the first train station in Bedford was opened by the Bedford Railway. Initially it was an expansion to and from Bletchley and to reach Bedford, noted as the Eastern Station. The starting of the 20th century was indeed magnificent for the Bedford St John's rail station, but later things started to fall as World War I broke out. It completely halted the British Railway for a while, but after the war, Bedford St John's train station got back on its feet and started servicing very instant. On June 2nd, 1924, Bedford Station was renamed to Bedford St John's. Second World War not only caused an abrupt halt for a time, but also financially damaged the station. It was quite hard for Bedford St John's train station to position a prosperous train station in Bedford during post-war time. Several new lines, including Oxford to Cambridge lines, were added at Bedford St John's list. The original Oxford to Cambridge line along the train station was closed on January the 1st, 1968 by the British Rail. A few months later, Bedford St John's train station was closed for an indefinite period on July 15th, 1968. On May 14th, 1984, Bedford St John's train station was resited and reopened with the line linking to Bletchley, Bedford, from the Marston Vale line. Today, Bedford St John's train station is unstaffed and managed by the London North Western Railway, the L&NWR. Anything else? or are we just wandering off? It's strange how that bit of platform sticks out like that. Other than that, there's nothing much here, but that looks awesome. Right, okay, well there you go. Bedford St John's. Now what I'm going to do, make my way back over to the missus, and we'll try and find this St John's Station 2.0. Try and find it at least. Let's have a look. And you see how it's on a curve now? I suppose it's too short. Oh, she's too little. She's too little. So, there you go. So, the original St John's used to go up this bit here.
Yeah.
And then we were standing just at the end of that bit. So that was the original station. But then, of course, they've moved it to, I don't know, under here. Let's cross over a minute, we'll have a look. Yeah. Oh, it is, look. Wow, okay. So it's literally just like breeze blocks and a concrete base. Now me and Jamie, when we were at the Lamport Railway Museum, Jamie pointed out on the other side there was a little bit of a concrete breeze block somewhere, and then yeah, we worked out that was actually just a cheap version of a station platform, but it was probably for goods. So maybe this was a goods line and then they've just changed it over. And you see there's, it looks like, see these in there's some rusty lampposts.
Yeah.
And it looks like the track actually went straight up there. Yeah. I'll have to get the Google overlays for you and have a look at the the National Library of Scotland maps. I'll link everything in the description below. Oh, okay. What's this about? Okay, it's nothing to do with this. It's London Northwestern. Oh yeah, look, whoa, yeah, whoa, I never knew that. London Northwestern Railway Company. Still going. Still going, I never noticed that. Anyway, so that way we'll go to Bletchley and Milton Keynes. And this way we'll go normally to Bedford.
Yeah.
Yeah, how awesome's that? And it did say up on that sign up there that it only runs from Monday to Saturday. So, but that's awesome. And it's literally just on little slabs, little concrete breeze blocks. Perfect example. This structure kind of design is at Callybanks as well. So as you walk through Callybanks down in the gorge, you actually notice these concrete structures. Well, that was because they had an unloading platform on it. But yeah, you see what I mean? There's these lamp posts. Yeah, just down here. So this railway track would have gone straight in. Anyway, there you go. That's all 3 stations, including the forgotten one.
Yeah.
But that's absolutely brilliant. Thank you for doing that. Leanne's little Explorer of Bedford, revisited of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a shame the first one messed up, but I think this video's even better,
Well,
except from the wind. Yeah. So, alright, well, if you like the video, then hit the like and subscribe button for me.
And we can let you know about the Koch.
Oh yeah, peace, love and light.
With a touch of Northants unity.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.